Let's take a look at some of the other functions in Hive, such as the aggregate function and the table generating function. Aggregate functions create the output if the full set of data is given. The implementation of these functions is very complex compared with that of the UDF. The user should implement a few more methods, however. The format is similar to UDF. Therefore, Hive provides many built-in user-defined aggregate functions, or UDAF. Normal user-defined functions, such as concatenate, take in a single input row and give out a single output row. In contrast, table generating functions transform a single input row to multiple output rows. Shown here is a lateral view that is used in conjunction with table generating functions. A SQL script in lateral view is displayed on the screen. Consider the base table named page ads. It contains two columns, page ID, which is the name of the page, and ADID underscore list, which is an array of ads that appear on the page. A lateral view with the explode can be used to convert the ADID underscore list into separate rows using the provided query. MapReduce scripts. Let's take a look at the MapReduce scripts that help extend the HiveQL. MapReduce scripts are written in scripting languages such as Python. Users can plug in their own custom mappers and custom reducers into the data stream. To run a custom mapper script or a custom reducer script, the user can issue a command that uses the transform clause to embed the mapper or the reducer script. Look at the script shown on the screen. Here, the key value pairs will be transformed to string and then delimited by tab before feeding to the user script by default. The method strip returns a copy of all the words in which white space characters have been stripped from the beginning and the end of the word. The method split returns a list of all the words using tab as the separator. Now that you've learned about UDF/UDAF and MapReduce scripts, let's compare the user-defined and user-defined aggregate functions with MapReduce scripts. The table here shows the comparison. User-defined functions are written in Java, while MapReduce scripts can be written in any language. Both user-defined functions and MapReduce scripts support one-to-one, n-to-one, and one-to-n input to output. However, user-defined functions are much faster compared to MapReduce scripts, since the latter spawns new processes for different operations.